This call may be monitored or recorded.
Hello, this is Lenny.
It's Mia from Cleaning Services. How are you doing? Hello? Hello? Is anybody on the other line? Hello?
Sorry, I can barely hear you there.
Okay, how about this one, sir? Can you hear me better?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm calling in behalf of Air Deck and Carpet Solutions, and we just wanted to offer you our promotion for the carpet cleaning, which is the steam cleaning of your two standard carpet rooms and a free hallway cleaning for $69. And if your standard room is bigger than 200 square feet, it is considered as an additional room. And the method we use, ma'am, is basic and standard cleaning, and we highly recommend deep cleaning for spots and stains for subsidized cost. And our services such as sofas, sectionals, couches, chairs, and area rugs. So may I just ask her if what is the service that you're interested with?
Oh, good. Yes.
Okay, so may I just ask her if only the two carpeted rooms and a free hallway is the service that you're just going to avail?
Oh, yes. Uh, someone did say last week. No, someone did call last week about the same thing. Was that you?
May I just ask her if what is the name of their company?
Yes. Sorry. What was your name again?
My name, sir, is Mia.
Well, it's funny that you should call because my third eldest, Larissa, she was talking about this just last week, and she is very smart. I'll give her that because she was the first in the family to go to university, and she passed with distinctions. We're all quite proud of her. Yes. So,
Okay,
she was saying that I should look into this sort of thing. So, what more can you tell me about it?
Okay, so may I just ask her if you're interested to avail our service? Hello?
I'm sorry, I couldn't quite catch you there. What was that again?
May I just ask her if you're interested to avail our service?
Sorry, again?
May I just ask her if you are interested to avail our service?
Could you say that again, please? Yes.
Okay, sorry for calling and have a good day.
Sorry,
Okay, have a good
which
day.
company did you say you were calling from again?